Imagine that we have everything ready to go, and now we want to make sure that the right people can access our chip. So there are a few different ways to do this. We can click on the Access tab, and in here we can see different options for limiting who can access our chip chat. The first one is the most simple one. So this one, if we activate, we will need to authenticate as a user before we can use our chip. How does this look like in practice? It essentially adds a login or sign-in page in the beginning of your chip. That was user sign-up. Then there's the redirect after a sign-up. This is for if you have an embed on your website for a chip chat. And then there's domain whitelisting. This is perfect for if you have chips that you want to limit to, for example, specific domains such as companies or teams. And you can just add your domain here to be able to limit who has access to this very specific chip. The last one is email gating, which just means that you can enable individual emails to access your chip chat. So if you have, for example, a coaching course or anything where you have people not from the same team or from the same organization with the same domain, you can just add individual emails here, and you can do that as a CSV or add them individually. So these are a few different ways that you can limit the access of your chip chat and make sure that the right people can access it at the right times.